Gucci on just to prove that I'm classy. I'm classy, I'm fly, I'm flashy.
What's the deal? It's Perky, and we back at it again with another vlog. We're switching it up this time. We are about to go to Knott's Scary Farm. I've never been there ever. I've never been to Knott's Scary Farm, Knott's Berry Farm, any of the little berry farms that they be having. I've never been to one of those. This is gonna be a lit vlog, so stay tuned. Y'all should see the fit though. Hold on, look, that's a little. Ooh, hold on. Go ahead and focus on that real quick. Hold on. That's just a little snippet. And then we got the, I don't know why I'm showing y'all through the mirror when I could just show y'all like this. Yeah, those are dog pads. I got dogs that act like they can't pee outside or whatever. But yeah, stay tuned for the vlog. It's about to be lit on me. Orlando, say something.
Hey, what's happening though? It's your boy Big Smooth, aka Smooth Daddy, aka follow me on Instagram. Oh no, it's your for your shit?
Yeah.
Oh man, I didn't want to put my thing out there, but you know.
It's wifey thief.
It's what? What you said?
It's wifey thief.
It's wifey thief. It's wifey thief. Everything.
Oh.
I didn't know they show y'all little blog shit. I didn't even check my phone.
Oh. Oh my God. Look, so we left the house at like what?
5:30.
5:30.
Yeah, 5:30. You said, well, they're gonna get in trouble.
Brittany, if you don't close this front,
we can park. Solid. So look, we left the house at 5:30. It is now 9:20.
What happened?
So we moving?
We staying?
What are we doing? Okay.
Well, we'll get back to y'all when we figure it out. Okay, so okay.
I wanna be in it.
Oh my God.
I wanna be in it.
Well, this is my channel. You got me bent.
My channel. Hey, what you put in your hair, Ashley?
Pick me up, knock my back down, pull my jackets out, put them back in.
I ain't gonna put them back in though if I pull them out. Cause I don't know how to do weeds, but that's your sister's job though. She did this one.
What the freak is wrong with you? Give. What up? What up? Give. Give.
Oh, hi babies. My name is Nisi Barras.
Nisi what?
Barras. Barras.
I was with a porta potty.
Oh wow. Okay, so.
Wow.
How do y'all watch her all the time? Because
that was annoying.
Pancakes you get from McDonald's and those venues.
I just want y'all to see in real life how extra Brittany is. She's not calm. How she be watching?
Cause I don't like doing reactions.
Oh, you know you gotta pass that.
Baby.
Gang shit, squash shit, hold like gang shit. Bull gang, hold like gang shit.
Back at it again. With another video. Can't even say it. How you say it? How you say it?
What's the deal?
Yeah, all that. You feel me out? You can't. Okay.
It's our first ride. Nigga, we in a tunnel. Brittany, where's the horse? Brittany, where's the horse? Leave your horse. Hey, let it focus the. Oh, hold on. Oh. Grab the. I'm sorry, baby. I have to get you away from that. You're welcome. I'm getting you guys on a perfect runway. I hear shit already. I'm gonna be taking off. Watch this. I'm a fat bitch, but I'm fast. Barely. I need me a little baby. Wait, why we didn't sing that in the tunnel, bro?
I don't know. Bull gang, hold like gang shit. Hold like gang shit. I'm about to be taking lives. Fuck iPhones.
Take lives.
iPhones. Stop for real if I get kicked out before I even let you let in.
Period.
Shanice, just style. He been doing that all day. Just fucking style.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Brittany. Show the glasses though. Show the Gucci. Show the Gucci. Show the Gucci. No, the Versace's.
Fushi. Brittany, come here. Boom gang, hold like gang shit.
Bye.
It's Brittany.
Squadron. Wristo, earrings, about 100,000.
Your wrist broken? Cause it's a lot of ice on that wrist.
Shut up.
Hey, I was
Oh, shut up, me. Funny, bro.
Where's Savannah at? She down there in the brown chair walking.
Oh, hit it that. Yeah, yeah. What the freak?
Today was Honeeybee, aka Honeeybee, aka your nigga favorite, aka your yachty missus.
Actually, catch my drift. It's moonwalk though.
Ooh.
Barely. Wait, watch me hit them folks.
Moon roll.
Yeah.
It's the avalanche.
Oh my God. Oh fuck. Oh, I might add that in there, bro.
Hey, I'll be seeing it on Snapchat. You be like,
Y'all want me to hit it?
Yeah. Check out the Yeezys though.
don't stop that. Doodle.
Okay.
Like that. It's like.
Did I tell y'all we literally been driving for motherfucking 4 hours? I'm bomb. You bitches can't even spell bomb. Okay, Bucky Bug.
That shit wouldn't even go with my arm.
Oh, don't do it to him. Look at his back! Personally, I'm surprised you call me after the things I said. Skirt on niggas, skirt up on. That's right. What's more than
We're about to get so copyrighted.
you get more than I want.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Orlando.
You mad?
I'm mad.
You lying? Hey, look how deep we brought in this thing though.
What time is it?
Look.
Who gay? Hold that gang shit.
Bro, stop saying that. Hey, these lines? These lines they got is ridiculous.
I know.
Oh, where the bases at? What are you about to get mad? They lie. This ain't A, she is vlogging. You hear that? What was that? This ain't A, she is vlogging. Well, shout out to you if you watch my stuff. Oh, freak. You really recording, bro? What the? Bro, this crowd weak. Hey.
Hey guys.
There y'all go. I don't know what we on.
Hold that gang shit going on.
Once again, please no flash photography.
Is you real? Boyfriend, bitch.
Bro, is there drops?
Boyfriend.
Take a look at these.
They doing with their life right now.
Hey, on me.
And they working.
That was working.
Oh, I wish I could see something.
It's a drop.
Oh!
Oh my god, this water blue.
Ooh, he calm as shit. Hold on. Bro said daddy.